I'm here for an inquiry about the medical student problems what we had. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So I'm here for inquiry as NCW member, and I am going to have a meeting with the police and then of course meet the girls involved in this and meet the other students and meet also the college authorities and to find out as to what has happened. So any other statement will be given only after I have my first inquiry from the police, because FIR has been filed and we need to know the details, and only after that I'll be able to give you a better question. Police ಇವತ್ತು meet ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. It's very that's right, it's very early to say. Options ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ first we need to know, inquiry ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Inquiry ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ what needs to be done ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. It's too early to say. Yes. So how many days? ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ? I'll go day after tomorrow. 2 ದಿನ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ.
Tomorrow first college visit or?
Yes, college visit will be tomorrow.
ಅವರನ್ನು ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರನ್ನು
ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಮನೆ?
Give us some time.
Okay.
We need to understand everything and then.
Okay.
Yeah.